Today we saw classic Antigua sailing conditions with 25 knots of breeze and sunny skies. It was a full-on foam up. The long-standing rivalry between Carlo Falcone and Sir Hugh Bailey was reignited. Ross Appleby's Scarlet Oyster took the win for Class 2. Passion for Sea lost Philip Lennart overboard, who was then rescued by Zigzag, and they went on to win Class 1B. After blowing one chute, Sojana hoisted another to surf across the line and win Class 1A. We had a group of young Antiguan sailors from the National Sailing Academy competing in their very first sailing week.
My name is Raphael. I'm the captain of Digital Challenger, and these guys have all come through the youth sailing program here. We had fantastic winds. It was really difficult upwind because of our weight, but off the wind we were really fast. We didn't do as well as we wanted to do today because we had a few mishaps, but the most important thing is the guys are having fun.
We've also got 35 bareboats racing, and one of them has more to celebrate than just fantastic sailing conditions.
I'm Stuart Reed. We've got the Sunsail Call Warball, which we renamed this week Dillygaff. I did another one 25 years ago, so this is the first we've done for a while, but it was a special celebration because two of us are having a big birthday this year. Weather very much as we expected, good sturdy east-northeasterly breeze around about 25 knots all day, and luckily all the boats were very evenly matched, so we got some very good racing.
Tonight the dockyard will be buzzing with some of Antigua's best musical talent and a special appearance from the cricketing legend Sir Viv Richards. Tomorrow is going to be a cracker. See you then.